technology is matured. Originally, I know very well, around 1995, when I started promoting technology, we had a big problem. Even we didn't have at that time proper bandwidth. Then I used to promote technology and also deregulation of telecommunication sector has been happened. That was the beginning. And India has taken first mover advantage. Today in knowledge economy, we are leading the global community. Around 57 to 60% of GCCs are located in India. I am confident one day it will reach 75%. That is the strength of India. By leveraging all these things, as on today, if you see IT revolution, because of IT revolution, Indians are earning highest per capita income all over the world. Among Indians, 35% are Telugu community. I am proud of it. That is how first more advantage will come. Now, recently our Prime Minister has constituted a committee for digital currency. I headed that committee. I had a very good exposure now. Our UPI is the best in the world. But so many people are asking for assistance for UPI also. Now, things are happening. In Andhra Pradesh, first time, Google is investing $15 billion for data center, 1 gigawatt, and also AI. That is the biggest investment in the recent past after economic reforms in India. And also we are establishing quantum computer now. That is where quantum computer is having in Andhra Pradesh. And also so many changes are going to come in the future. As on today, we are all talking Silicon Valley, that is in California, America. Future will talk Quantum Valley, that is in India, that is from Amaravati, that is from my state. Already quantum computer we have established, we are starting. By year end, operations will start. We are going to manufacture quantum computers. We are going to supply quantum computers